You're probably thinking, I have a genius idea. I know exactly what my course is gonna be about. My financial struggle will finally be over because all I have to do is make this course. It's gonna start selling in my sleep. Thousands of dollars are just gonna be pouring into my bank account. Okay, so let me stop you right there. I have been studying how to make money online for over a decade. I have tried a million different business models. I have created online courses that have not successfully sold, and I have finally figured out how to successfully sell online courses. Not only that, I've worked with hundreds of people who have tried to sell online courses and they have failed, and then that's why they have come to me, because now I help them figure out how to actually make money, okay? So this is the point of view I'm speaking from when I'm telling you, just please listen, because I will save you so much time and frustration. Here is a simple truth about online courses that you need to know. That digital product sitting on the virtual shelf will not sell itself. It won't, okay? I used to think, and I've created online courses in the past where I was so excited. I spent, anywhere from a couple weeks to a couple months creating this course. And then I finally got it all together and the product is online, it's ready to be purchased. And then I anticipated, waking up the next morning and to see $10,000 in sales just magically come in, and only to wake up to nothing. That is the reality. That is what happens for most people. And this is why they waste a bunch of time, money, and energy creating online courses when they have nobody to sell it to. They literally have no audience, and they have not validated their offer. They don't know if it's a product that people actually want or need and are willing and able to pay for. Those are the main problems. Here's something to understand. If you are a beginner in this digital entrepreneurial space, you need to go about it in the right way that will actually get you results, because most people, quite frankly, are just doing it completely backwards. When you have this idea of this online course that you want to make, but you have no audience, the place to start is actually to start building your audience. You need to have an online presence and start getting known out there online so that people start to know, like, and trust you, because people will buy from you when they know, like, and trust you. When you have zero social media presence and nobody knows who you are, and you literally have nobody lined up waiting for a product to come out from you, it doesn't matter if you make the most brilliant course online, nobody is gonna buy it, okay? You need to create the demand first. And this is the thing. Now, people will see the potential of famous people coming out with an online course and it will fly off the shelf. Yes, because they have millions of followers. Like Tony Robbins, for example. Tony Robbins can make an online course called How to Be Awesome, and it will fly off the shelf. Do you know why? Because he already has an audience of billions of people. So statistically, people already know, like, and trust Tony Robbins, and whatever he makes will sell because he already has a very strong personal brand. But when you are starting and you nobody knows you, literally doesn't matter if you make the best online course that really does teach people something, because if you have nobody there lined up to buy something from you, it just won't sell. Step one, start with building your social media brand. You need to get out there. If you're gonna go and stalk me and be well, who's this girl and how does she know any of this? I wanna tell you a fact. I started generating sales, and I'm talking thousands of dollars, when I had around 500 Facebook followers. So you don't need a big audience to make big money. As of right now, I think I have 1.4 thousand followers on Facebook. But I've been making money over the past 2.5 years to the point where I don't need to have a job. I'm a single mom. I fully support myself and my daughter without financial help from anybody. I work less than 20 hours a week, and I take vacations and basically do whatever I want when I want to. So when you know how to do it right and you have an online presence, it doesn't have to be big, but you do have to start somewhere, okay? You can generate financial freedom for yourself and a life of freedom. At the beginning, your effort and your focus should really be going into building your online presence, because then you will have people ready to buy something from you. Now, number two, this is just what happened for me, okay? What was super cool is I didn't have to think of my niche or the online course I was gonna make, because I focused first, after failing doing it backwards, okay? I started focusing on just building my online presence and building a really engaged audience. I got buying signals from the people who were engaged on my content. They were like, how do I do this? Can you help me do this? They started asking the same questions over and over again. Those are buying signals. So when people started asking me questions, I was like, yes, I can absolutely help you with that. And here's how much I charge. Here's my payment link so that you can reserve your spot in my calendar, and then let's get started. It can really be as simple as that. The most success I've had with creating an online course that I actually made significant money from was I sold the course before I created it. I could make an entirely separate video about that. Like that is the only way I will ever create an online course ever again. Like, sell it first and then create it. Don't waste your time recording all the videos and the worksheets and paying for the platform and like doing all of this stuff until you have actual real people handing you money, like actually paying you to say, yes, I want this thing from you. When you have that, then build the course, because then you know that real people want your real solution to their real problem, and they're showing you that by giving you real money. And that's how you actually make money selling online courses. I have a bunch of resources to help you get started if you want to start making money, whether it's through online courses or coaching programs, basically just monetizing yourself. If you want to learn how to do that, check out the description box below. And if you got value out of this video, please hit the thumbs up. Maybe you want to subscribe and watch this video next. See you next time.